Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map with the Dreame D20 Plus. If you're interested in the D20 Plus, the link to it will be in the video description. So we already have our D20 Plus set up with the Dreame app. So we're going to enter into the device right here, but we have not created our first or initial map. So what we have to do now is we have to place this exactly where we want it in our house, open up all the doors to the rooms that we want mapped, and then at the center of the screen, we need to select the Start Fast Mapping button. And it walks you through quick preparations right there. Then you can hit OK. And it'll go out and it'll start mapping. So that's how that's going to work right there. So go ahead, position this exactly where you want it. Hit Start Fast Mapping. Once you hit OK, it'll leave the station and start mapping. So we have it where we want it. Select Start Fast Mapping. Hit OK. Now it's going out, it's dispatching from the station, it's going to map the house and then come back, and the map will be saved and populated. All right, our map was finished. It didn't even take 5 minutes, and you can see what it mapped here. Very detailed, very thorough. For those wondering, this is a staircase right there, so it's not able to go down there, but it's actually able to cast a pretty wide field of view. That's rather impressive since that turns at a 90 at the landing right there. So nice detailed map, very quick, very simple to map with your D20 Plus.